Around the age of 10, I went berry picking with my grandma. I went with my sister and my little brother. To get there, we had to drive on the highway to Winnipeg for 30 minutes more or less. We drove until we saw these little trees and turned left. There was a little forest of trees that stood 5 feet tall. We drove into the forest until we came to a forest of much more bigger trees. As we drove by them, we looked at the dusty brown road. At the sides were little blue dots connected to little bushes of grass and leaves. They were the blueberries. We stopped in the middle of the meadow of trees and bushes, and in the middle of it was a clearing of grass. We picked a lot of blueberries and a little bit of juniper berries. We picked the juniper berries for my grandmother. She ate them to strengthen her teeth. We picked berries until sundown, which was when we left the little meadow of blueberry bushes. When we got home, we cleaned the berries, stored them in plastic containers for later, and we canned them for jam. We ate the berries or watched my granny make them into pie and ate them with my family. We also made them into smoothies. After this, my grandmother stopped going berry picking and stopped taking us. She did not have the time to take us berry picking. Because of her responsibilities at the church, my mom was too busy working with the community. When I picked a blueberry or a juniper berry, I felt very happy doing it because the overwhelming feeling that I knew I would be sharing it with my family made me very happy, or that when we had fun making stuff together with the berries. When we were picking berries, I felt very close to my kukum, but when we stopped picking berries, I felt very sad because that feeling when I shared the berries or prepared the berries was gone. Maybe when I'm older, I will go berry picking with my children and teach them, and they will be happy too.